Hello, my name is Joanne and I'm the Parks Manager Naturalist at the Kolb Nature Center. And this is your Wildlife Wednesday. The tree crabs. So here's a red mangrove. So here at the Nature Center we have many small and large creatures. While traveling down the trails, look for the many different kinds of crabs that we have. Mangrove tree crabs up in the mangroves, fiddler crabs down on the mud, and even large giant land crabs. So an interesting creature that we find here at the mangrove swamp is the toadfish. So the toadfish, or oyster cracker, has very powerful jaws, and he can supposedly crack open oyster shells. He's a very sedentary animal and sometimes will patiently wait for something to swim by to make a meal.